Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered what happens just 24 hours after starting a professional landscaping service? In today's video, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you the progress and changes you can expect when you choose D8 landscape solution. Whether you are taking a small backyard upgrade or a full green makeover, our team works with care and precision to deliver results. However, some projects take more time to perfect. We will also explain what's possible within the first 24 hours and how the full transformation unfolds for the coming days. Stick around to see real examples, hear about our progress, and learn how to landscaping journey. Every great transformation starts with a solid plan. A D8 landscape solution, we begin with the site to visit to understand your vision and evaluate the space. Here, what's happened during the initial assessment. Site analysis, we examine your garden layout, soil quality, sunlight exposure, and climate. And second, understanding your goals. We discuss your preference, whether you want a modern design or a less rigid or a simple, low-maintenance space. And design and timeline. We create a detailed plan and provide an estimate timeline. Depending on the size of your project, this could range from a single day to several days. When the plan is finalized, our team gets to work. Within the first 24 hours, the focus on laying the groundwork for the transformation. Here's what we typically accomplish. Cleaning the area, removing weeds, debris, and overgrowing plants to prepare the space. Soil preparation. Improving soil quality thoughts, aeration, fertilization, or leveling. Hardscape setup if applicable. Installing key elements like pathway or borders. In some cases, especially for larger projects, the first 24 hours are primarily about cleaning and preparing the space. While your garden may not be completely transformed yet, the foundational steps are crucial for long-lasting results. For a project that requires more than a day, a real magic starts to unfold in the following days. After the initial preparation, our team moves on to planting, like adding trees, shrubs, flowers, or ground cover to bring life and color to your space. We do detail like adding mulch, decorative stones, or other finishing touches. Our customers often share the excitement after just 24 hours, even for projects that aren't fully completed yet. Here, what they say. The space already feels so much cleaner and more organized. I can see how it's coming together, and I'm so excited to the final look. These early changes, like cleaner pathway or fresh prepared soils, set the stage for stunning transformation. Whether it's simple refresh or a complete overhaul, you will feel the difference immediately. Final adjustments to ensure every element aligns with your vision and meets the quality standards. Larger projects such as full garden redesigns or indicate hardscaping may take 2 to 4 days or more, but rest assured, every day brings noticeable progress, and the final results are always worth the wait. A D8 landscape solution, we are committed to delivering results that exceed expectations. Here's why so many customers trust us. Expertise you can rely on. With nearly 20 years of experience, we bring knowledge and skill to every project. Personalized service. Every design is tailored to your unique preference and needs. Quality workmanship. From preparation to finishing touch, we handle every step with care and precision. Transforming your garden doesn't happen overnight, but the journey begins with the first step, a D8 landscape solution. We are here to guide you every step of the way. If you are ready to see progress within the first 24 hours and witness the transformation of your outdoor space, contact us today to schedule your consultation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more landscaping tips and inspiration. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.